Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever found yourself frustrated trying to resize a belt, fix a worn-out hole, or craft something by hand only to be held back by flimsy tools, you know how important a reliable leather punch can be. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the DURATECH Leather Hole Punch, a compact, no-frills tool that's been making waves in DIY and leatherworking circles. Priced at just $13, it promises durability, precision, and versatility for both occasional users and hobbyists. But does it deliver on those promises? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? In this review, we'll test its performance across different materials, examine its build quality, and see how it holds up under real-world use. From ease of setup to long-term reliability, I've put this tool through its paces, so you don't have to guess whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's find out if the DURATECH Punch is the upgrade your toolkit has been waiting for. Let me tell you, if you've ever struggled with poorly placed belt holes or had to jury-rig a hole punch that just couldn't handle thicker leather, the DURATECH Leather Hole Punch is going to be a game-changer for you. I picked this up a few weeks ago for some DIY belt adjustments and haven't been able to put down since. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the heft. It's all metal, solid, and built like a tool that means business. It's not flashy, but that weight gives you confidence. What really sets it apart is the 6-position turret with different punch sizes. Whether you're working on a watch strap, dog collar, or a thick 10-ounce leather belt, you've got options. And swapping between sizes? It's straightforward, just rotate the head and align the die. It's a small detail, but it makes the whole process feel precise and professional. No more guessing or forcing a single-size punch to do the job. One of the standout features for me is the depth guide. That little adjustable stop makes all the difference when you're punching multiple holes and want them perfectly aligned from the edge of the material. I used it to resize a couple of belts for a friend, and being able to set the depth once and just focus on the punch saved so much time. You don't have to eyeball it every time, which means no more uneven or crooked holes. Plus, it's great for consistency when you're working on projects like watch bands or custom pet collars where precision matters. I've used older style punches that require twisting or repositioning the leather, and this one's one-shot design, where the punch goes clean through into the base, is so much faster and cleaner. It reduces the chance of tearing or misalignment, especially on tighter spaces like shoe straps or narrow belts. Now, let's be honest, no tool is perfect, and this one has a few quirks. The depth guide needs to be tightened with a screwdriver. Fingertip tight just doesn't cut it, and the screw is a bit soft, so you've got to be careful not to strip it. I learned that the hard way the first time I over-torqued it. Also, the adjustment screw for the punch spread, the one that controls how wide the jaws open, can feel a little fiddly. It takes several turns to lock in your preferred spread, and finding that sweet spot takes a bit of trial and error. Once you've got it dialed in, it's fine, but if you're switching between thick and thin materials often, it can get a little tedious. And speaking of materials, while it handles thick leather with authority after a few uses, I'll admit the punch didn't come razor sharp straight out of the box. I had to touch it up a bit with a file, especially for tougher jobs. After that, though, it sliced through leather like butter. But here's where it really proves its worth: versatility. I've used it on everything from biothane straps for dog leashes to men's leather sandals, and even some thick fabric for a home craft project. It's not just a belt tool. My wife actually borrowed it to resize a few dance shoe straps, and she was surprised at how clean the holes came out, even on delicate materials. That's the beauty of having multiple punch sizes. You're not forced to compromise. Whether you need a tiny 1/16-inch hole or something bigger for a custom buckle, this thing delivers. And because it's all metal, it feels like it's going to last forever. I've seen plastic-handled punches wear out after a few months, but this one, it's built for the long haul. It's become the kind of tool I reach for without thinking twice, which says a lot. I will say the learning curve is real if you've never used a heavy-duty punch like this. My first attempt was a little clumsy. I didn't have the depth guide set right, and the hole was slightly off. But after a couple of tries, it was smooth sailing. It's not exactly hard on the hands, but you do need a solid grip and decent hand strength, especially for thicker materials. Still, it's far easier than twisting a traditional punch, and the leverage is excellent. I've punched nearly 400 holes in one project alone. Yeah, that's a lot. And I didn't feel any strain in my wrists. That says something about the ergonomics and smooth action of the mechanism. The turret alignment is tight, and the punch engages cleanly every time, which gives you confidence that you're not going to slip and ruin your material. At $13, this is an absolute steal. I've paid more for flimsier tools that didn't last half as long. Yes, there are minor frustrations, the soft screw, the fiddly adjustment, but none of them outweigh the performance and durability. It's not perfect, but it's damn close for the price. If you're into DIY leatherwork or just need to resize a few belts or straps around the house, this tool earns its place in your drawer. I've already recommended it to a couple of friends who work on watch bands and pet gear, and they've been just as impressed. Bottom line, it's professional grade performance without the professional price tag. For occasional use or even semi-regular projects, the DURATECH Leather Hole Punch delivers precision, power, and peace of mind, all in a compact, no-nonsense package. If you're ready to punch above your current tool game, don't just settle, elevate. Hit that like button if this review helped you, and subscribe for more no-nonsense breakdowns. Every tool tells a story. Make sure yours starts with a solid foundation. Stay sharp, stay precise, and keep crafting better.